Sam for Sounds Detailing, and today we're going to be doing something really cool and really different. I managed to get my hands on this awesome Porsche car care set. And this has been made before I was born. This is from 1989, and obviously I'm born in 1990, so it's a year older than I am. So I thought it'd be really cool to go through this set. I'm going to try out the product some point this week, but I thought I'd make a video dedicated to really running through the products and seeing what you get in a set like this from West Germany. So let's go through it. Now it comes in a carry case. You get all the products split up like that, so obviously the case opens up that way, and then you have all the products to clean your Porsche. So let's run through what we've got. This is so cool, come on. So you get a bottle of car shampoo. Porsche car shampoo for a thorough caring wash dependent on the amount of dirt. Pour between 10 and 15 cubic centimeters of Porsche car shampoo into a bucket and fill it with a strong water jet. Now, I get it, these products are like 30 years old. They're not going to be at the optimum performance. Detailing products or car cleaning products have a shelf life. But I thought it'd be really cool just to see what they're like, because I've never used like detailing products or car cleaning products that are so old before. And it smells of washing up liquid. 250 ml. Honestly, it's really thick, but it honestly smells like washing up liquid, that one. This is the part where I find out I've been scammed. Okay, that's the shampoo. You also get a bottle of car wash preservative. Preserves the paintwork after washing. Pour approximately 10 milliliters of Porsche car wash preservative into a bucket of water and mix. Pour the solution over the car, dry with the chamois leather. So I guess this is like one of those like rinse shine type products you get. Smells different. I'm assuming this is like a wax rinse aid type of product, not like ceramic boost, but like just like a you know, the type of rinse aid you get, like an aqua rinse aid, that type of product. I'm assuming that's what that is. Next product, insect remover. It's a liquid for removing the remnants of insects. Apply Porsche insect remover onto the surface to be cleaned with a cloth or a soft sponge. Leave briefly to take effect, then rub down gently and rinse generously with water. So I think this is like pretty... Ugh. Holy crap. Oh, my nose. Oh, it's like a really strong solvent. I didn't expect that. Why did To be honest with you, it's got the caution on the front and on the back. Contains tetrapotassium triphosphate. Okay, so that is quite a strong solvent. We need to be more careful. Okay, so they got insect remover. This is quite a decent kit. You get a shampoo, you got your preserver, insect remover, paint polish. To be honest with you, how cool is the packaging? It's pretty awesome. Porsche paint polish for paintwork care. Wash the car with the Porsche car shampoo, blah blah blah. Apply Porsche paint polish with a circular rubbing motion. Allow it to dry and then rub with a clean cotton wool or a duster. So I'm guessing this is like a glaze. I'm scared to smell stuff now. Smells of paint thinners. Okay. I guess this is what car cleaning stuff was like in like 1990, 1989. I mean, it could work. I mean, It should still work though, right? Okay, so we've got paint polish. So we've got a shampoo, insert remover, polish, stain remover. Is this for fabrics? For removing oil, grease and paint stains from textiles, leather and plastics. Do not use on a convertible roof material. Flammable. And there's a lot of... I bet you this is like a strong solvent as well. Wait, what? Oh, it's got like a... It's got a metal seal. Okay, so I need to pierce that. In fact, I've got an Allen key here. Let me use that. It smells of... I don't know what it smells of. It smells of like a new... Honestly, it smells like a new car. Okay, next up. Tar remover. For the removal of tar spots, ensure the paintwork is free of dust and dirt. Moisten a soft cloth with Porsche tar remover and juice. So just basically dab on. I don't know why I'm smelling each product. I'm just curious. It's so strong. Wow, this stuff is so strong. This is crazy. Next product. Paint protector and sealer. Protect the paintwork and maintains a constant shine. Wash and dry before application. If necessary, remove tar spots with Porsche tar remover and bring the paintwork to a shine using Porsche paint polish. Oh, it's a liquid. Oh, I thought it was going to be like a sealant, like a paste. It smells of paint thinners again. It must be... It's like a synthetic sealant then. Again, I thought like the 80s were all about carnauba wax and stuff. I genuinely didn't know they did stuff like sealer like this. Okay. So that's the last bottle. The next one we have is polishing wool. Something I've never used in my life. I don't really know what to make of it. Isn't that just cotton pads? It's like cotton wool, isn't it? Okay, so I assume we're going to use that with the paint polish and the tar remover. Okay, so this is going to be really... I guess we're going to film it. This is going to make for a really interesting video. I honestly don't have a clue what I'm doing with this stuff. And you can see here, it's pretty cool. There you go, made in West Germany. So yeah, I'm not really sure what to make of this at this moment in time. We've got shampoo, we've got a shampoo, we've got polish, we've got a sealant, we've got some bug and tar remover, insect remover, which is super toxic. It's gonna be pretty interesting. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and until then, stay safe, or until I actually wash my car with this stuff, stay safe and take care.